Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take multivitamin tablets effectively. First, always check the specific dosage instructions provided on your supplement's label. It is crucial to follow these guidelines carefully. Next, take your multivitamin with a meal. This significantly improves the absorption of many nutrients. Finally, ensure you drink a full glass of water, about 8 ounces, to help with swallowing and digestion. To maximize the benefits, taking your multivitamin with food is highly recommended. This practice not only reduces the chance of stomach upset, but also aids in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, which need dietary fats to be properly utilized by your body. Also, try to avoid consuming coffee or tea simultaneously, as these beverages can sometimes interfere with nutrient absorption. Consistency is key when it comes to multivitamins. Try to take your supplement at the same time each day to establish a routine, which helps your body adapt. Proper storage is also vital. Always keep your multivitamin bottle in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and excessive heat. Ensure the cap is tightly sealed after each use to protect the tablets from moisture and air, maintaining their potency. Before incorporating any new supplement into your routine, it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional. They can offer personalized advice based on your individual health needs. Remember, never exceed the recommended daily dosage, as taking too much can lead to unwanted side effects. Also, be mindful of any potential interactions your multivitamin might have with other medications you are currently taking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.